that mean I'm gonna be on my period?
That was on YouTube.
Cool.
Josh Levi's gonna see that.
I don't care.
Yeah, my cousin just asked if she was gonna be on her period. Josh Levi, what do you think? I mean, he has a sister, so you know, like, and he's best friends with the sister. How in the heck are you best friends with your sister? Hey, I can barely stand you, and you're my cousin. I'm just kidding. I love you.
Yeah, you say that, but I could leave any moment.
I know.
And then you would have nobody.
I know.
So.
I love my cousin. She's best. Right, Kayla? Right. This is the girl that thinks she's about to be on her period. Say hi. Yeah. She's not kidding.
He's like, no.
No. No, we're not doing that.
He's like, no.
So, do you...
Oh, no, as in no, he doesn't know what it means. Not no, as in...
I'm texting... Josh, baby, don't be jealous. I'm just texting my cousin's friend. That means... Josh, I want your number or your kick.
Let it go, let it go. Turn my back and swing the door. And here. I love that movie. I want to go see it. Ow!
I'm sorry. I didn't think it would hurt you. I was like, you know, that means that we can ... You know.
That sounds suggestive.
Josh, I love you so much. Okay. This video is supposed to be everything that I love about Josh. Okay. 1, I love Josh's smile. 2, I love his hair. 3, I love his voice. 4, I love his personality. 5, I love that he lives in Texas. Well, he is still in Texas. Yeah. 6, if I could, like, actually meet him and everything, he's close to my age, so you know what that means. Shut up! Okay. I don't know when his birthday is.
What if I just came out and said it? That would be awkward.
Okay. Yeah, that's all. I love, like, everything about him. Well, about you, if you're watching this. Yeah. Okay. A little about myself, because you might want to, you know about me. Yeah, my name is Sierra. I'd probably blow up your phone on Instagram and on Twitter. I'm really sorry. You liked one of my tweets, and you haven't liked any of my other ones yet. I really hope you do. I sing, I dance.
I'm done with this.
I act a little. And I make YouTube videos, and I kind of stalk you. Yeah.
Kind of an understatement of you.
I don't know where he's born or anything. Well, I'm going to, like, in 15 seconds. Okay. Bye, Josh. I love you. Team Levi.